Hello everyone, my name is Bion and you're watching my YouTube channel freeeducation.com. In this video I will show you how you can get your problem solutions of mathematics into 2 minutes in free. So without wasting your time, let's start the video, and this video is just for educational purpose. So let's start. Go to your Google Chrome browser and search cymath.com. Enter and go to this website and enter your problems. Wait for a second and enter. This website will show you, this website will help you to solve your problem into 2 minutes, and this website will show you step by step. This much for today. Thank you for watching. Until next video, bye bye. Thank you.